Finally, it is time to complete the P&L output sheet in our model. Now that we have calculated interest expenses, we can simply add them here through a link. And this gives us EBT, earnings before taxes. I'll use an if function for taxes. When EBT is positive, the company is going to pay income taxes. But when its EBT result is negative, it wouldn't have to do that. The condition we should verify is EBT higher than 0? If that's the case, we will have EBT times the statutory tax rate defined in the driver's sheet. Alternatively, if EBT is negative or 0, Tesla is going to pay 0 taxes. All right, let's copy this function for the other periods as well. Good. We'll assume that minority interests will be equal to 0 in the forecast period. And voila! This is how we arrive at net income. In our next video, we'll complete the cash flow statement by bridging unlevered free cash flow and net cash flow.